Hey guys, welcome back. Drip and Farm for Profit. I'm your host, Drip Coach, and let's jump right into it. So today, give me an update on the piggy bank. We haven't touched on this, and I've had a couple of comments over the last week or two about the piggy bank. For the most part, TLDR, it's dead. Dead. Like, you're not getting anything out of this. Liquidity is horrible, and he's supposedly is migrating it. But you can look at this. There is $27,000 in the piggy bank. So that is peanuts. And so any of us that locked up for years, this one I didn't, let me switch. In this one, if you locked up like I did, I think I did 3 years on this one, then a year and a half on this one, you were just exit liquidity for everybody else. So this became nothing. And once again, we learned a valuable lesson to not trust Forex. And also, he will be changing and migrating this. So from what I understand, because remember, when you create a pigpen stake, you are buying piglets. Piglets are basically pigs and BUSD LP put together. So you're adding liquidity to the pig token in the form of BUSD. Since Forex is trying to also migrate away from BUSD, and the piggy bank itself has suffered a tremendous loss due to the shitty token mechanics, as well as the depreciation of the asset itself, he has decided in his infinite wisdom to retire the contract, so to speak. So supposedly what's going to happen one day is that we will receive the equivalent of basically what you own in the contract, whatever that share would be. And no, I have no idea how to calculate all that because of the way the piglets are done and the staking and all this stuff. There was a lot of math behind the scenes, but rest assured that with how many pigs are in here, I don't think it tells you. I have no idea. So however many people are in the piggy bank, however many stakes, let's put it that way, divided by this $27,000, you'll be lucky to get a couple bucks, depending on how big your piggy bank stakes were. So I wouldn't even count on any of this money, to be honest. It's pretty much dried up. So the state of it, for those of you that are asking, is like, just count it as a loss. And it's going to be retired at some stage. You can technically count it retired now, but since this has to migrate from this $27,000 basically has to be allocated towards seats, since everything else is moving towards seats. So he will change the token and that value will still be there, but you will have an LP that is seat and BUSD. And then I guess supposedly, if I remember correctly, it's not even gonna be a BUSD, it'll be going straight into BNB. So there will no longer be any BUSD on the farm. Everything is about liquidity provisioning for BNB support, which going into the bull run could be a good hedge. So the sword and shield style that we have in Drip with Drip USD and Drip BNB isn't necessary, I would say. It's of course a risk, but going into a bull run, you want to you ride that volatility. So volatility cuts both ways. But if everything is kind of poised to go up in the bull run due to Bitcoin, then having all of your liquidity in BNB could be a good play. But anyway, I digress. So the point is that pigs, they're still holding surprisingly well. And this was also surprising, the pigs in the pig pen. So people have not been selling their pigs out of the pig pen position, even though on an average day, you're looking at $8,000 worth of sales. And with a $14 pig, what is that? No, divided by 1450. About 550 pigs a day being sold. They're not coming out of the pig pen because this is the pig pen balance, token balance. As you can see, man, way back, we'll call it here, back in March, we hit the 350 mark, and I don't think we broke back below that. Oh, barely. 349 to back up. So people are still keeping their pigs in the pig pen, which is very, very interesting because you're not getting paid anything from this for your pigs. There's 23,000 in BUSD, and remember, it pays 3% of this per day. So 453 times 0.03, that's $703 divided by, what is it, 350,000 pigs? Yeah, you're getting 0.002, so 1/5 of a penny per pig. But for some odd reason, again, this is why I say, you know, check the people that are holding REAP and the ones behind the scene. These people made money off of Forex, and unfortunately it was made off of people like us that got in late. We got wrecked, but they continue to rock out with him. And this is why I said, and I continue to make these videos, because what's going to happen, mark my words, these people are staying in, and there will be a fresh group of people that will feed these people. And then the narrative will be, see, if you just had a held, blah, 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 blah. But what is gonna really end up happening is basically that new people will get fleeced the same way we did. And they just won't know any better, because they're gonna be coming in on the heels of a lot of FOMO and bull run and brand new tokens, brand new charts, brand new website. Everything looks fresh. The exact same thing that happened from Grim to REAP to the Silo to B-REAP to Manor Farm to Animal Farm. All of that was on the heels of the previous bull run cycle, and it looked like you just couldn't lose. And it was true until we hit the bottom, or basically shortly after the Terra Luna collapse and all that stuff like that. So this will be the exact same way, but the people that got in and just been holding, it's going to look like Forex pulled a magic rabbit out of his hat, but really no, it's just the crypto cycle. And unfortunately, more sheep being led to the slaughter that are going to make the money for the long-term holders, if you will. So it's hard to say what to do, but I don't trust Forex at all. Like, he's proven what he's able to do, and that he can't execute nor keep a timeline or anything like that. But I don't put it past him and past the energy in the space to pump these tokens due to just simple FOMO and people aping in, as the Wall Street calls them, dumb money. So it's going to happen again. And that's why I'm saying, if you have some of this stuff, I would just hold it right now. I wouldn't advise dollar cost averaging. I can't advise because it's not financial advice, right? But if you have it, I would just wait, because I'm quite certain there will be a pump, and that would be the perfect opportunity to sell into. There will be some FOMO in the pump and all that stuff, because there'll be a new chart and everything. So that's just the energy of the space. You can't deny that. So why not take advantage of it, especially if you have been in like I have and you're wrecked? So you might as well get something out of it. So TLDR, piggy bank being retired. Don't do anything with it. Just wait until some kind of announcement, or technically, I guess it just would change the website. And then if you have pigs in your wallet, they would change. Or if you have the pigs BUSDLP piglets, that would change as well. Because there should be no requirement for us to send in our assets like we had to do previously. Everything can be done on chain, basically, because the contracts are proxies and upgradable. So that's about it. That's the gist of it. Hope that provides value. If it did, smash that HBO special, help a brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below. And until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? SPRITZ Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.